To check the oil level in your vehicle, you will need a kitchen towel and the engine oil. For the type of oil you need to purchase, please refer to your manufacturer's guide. Ensure your vehicle is parked on level ground. Release the bonnet and secure it in the raised position. Locate the dipstick. This will usually have a round or a T-shaped handle in a bright colour so it's easier to see. Remove the dipstick and wipe clean. Then reinsert the dipstick and remove again to check the level of your oil against the end of the dipstick. Make sure the oil level is between your minimum and maximum oil level on the end of the dipstick. If your oil level is below the minimum, then you need to top up the oil. To top up your oil, locate the cap with the little oil symbol on it, and if you've got a funnel, insert the funnel, pour the oil in and continually check to make sure you don't overfill.